The universe is a pretty large term as it refers to everything around us, not just all the celestial objects and the stars and stuff like that. The universe is expanding at a rate of 67 kilometers per second. Like you blink and the universe has expanded. Sir Stephen Hawking once said that we are just an advanced breed of monkeys on a minor planet of a very average star. But we can understand the universe, and that's what makes us special. So, good morning guys. I am Atharv Mittal, and I am going to tell you some of the common myths about space. The first myth is that matter exists in only 3 states. No. Actually, there is another state of matter which is neglected upon. It's plasma. Plasma is hot ionized gas consisting of equal numbers of protons and electrons. Sitting here on a giant rock makes it very easy for one to assume that of course solids are the most abundant form of matter. But no, plasma is considerably more abundant. All the stars, including our sun, are gigantic orbs of glowing plasma. I'm sure that's news to somebody present here. The next myth is that vacuum in space, it's always cold. I must agree that in some places it can go as far as minus 450 degrees Fahrenheit. But in some places like near the Earth's atmosphere, it can reach up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. That's too fidgety. The next myth is that no matter what medium, light is always the fastest. Though the speed of light is 300 million meters per second in air, it slows down to about 60% as it passes through diamond. Electrons, protons, neutrons, etc. can easily beat it at this rate. Also, many physicists think that 2 quantum entangled particles can teleport instantly towards each other. This is called quantum love. The next myth is about asteroids. It is that the asteroid belt is dangerous. We all have seen in movies like Star Wars that asteroids are everywhere and they're colliding and they're damaging stuff and everything like that. But actually the asteroid belt is completely isolated. It's completely lonely. Also, the mass of all the asteroids combined is about 4% of the mass of the moon we see up there. The next myth is, I am going to share a story. Actually, it's more of a personal experience. Like one Sunday afternoon, I was sitting lazily in my balcony enjoying the summer breeze, and I was mesmerized by the beauty of the azure sky, when I thought that if the sky, which is actually not blue, looks blue, is it possible that the sun's yellow is just a mask above its true identity? This question confounded me, and after research I found out that the sun is actually not yellow, it's white. It looks yellow because of what is known as the Rayleigh scattering. It's the same principle that makes the sky blue. Actually, the sun's light is white and it consists of 7 colors. As it enters the Earth's atmosphere, the blue light scatters, making the sky blue, and the yellow light comes straight towards us, while all the other colors, they just bounce back into space. The next myth is really shocking news to everybody. It's that the planets revolve around the sun. Yes, planets don't revolve around the sun. Actually, when an object seems to be revolving around another in space, it doesn't actually revolve around the heavier one. Actually, both objects revolve in ellipses around the combined center, that is the halfway point of both their gravities. It is called the barycenter. The Earth is a puny planet and it's about 350,000 times smaller than the Sun. So the barycenter is so close to the Sun's center that it is actually inside the Sun. So we don't notice Earth revolving around the barycenter and even the Sun. But Jupiter is the largest planet of all. Its mass is twice the mass of all planets, asteroids, comets combined. So this pulls the barycenter a good 30,000 miles away from the Sun. So you can actually see the Sun revolving around the barycenter. Thank you. Before I'd like to conclude, I would like to say that the space is a very vast thing to deal with. So I hope that my talk has raised the astrophysicists in you. Thanks.